Say hi, honey. I'm vlogging. Hi, good morning. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's healthy and safe from the pandemic. Don't forget to wear your mask. Videotaping for you guys. The dog terrorizing our RV. That's Zoe right there. Hi, Zoe. Say hi, Zoe. Zoe. Say hi, Zoe. Wave, Zoe. Wave. Zoe, wave. Lipstick. Say hi, lipstick. That's lipstick right there. Sorry, our RV's a mess. We're kind of packing stuff. But I thought I'll share some cute videos for you guys to make your day. There you go. This is the dog terrorizing the RV. Rumbo. Rumbo. Oh. Where'd you go, Rumbo? What are you doing in the table, Rumbo? Is that your new bed? Sounds like it's your new bed, Rumbo. Right?
Wave. Wave.
What are you serving for dinner, Rumbo? Rumbo. I mean for breakfast. It's bright and shiny. The table. So shiny. Thanks to Pledge, right? And today is sunny and bright out there. There you go. And Daisy's like tucked nicely in the corner. Daisy, you wanna say hi?
Yeah, she's right here.
Oh, that's Rocky then, huh? That's the pretty Chanel. Hey, Chanel. Oh, how cute you are, Chanel. Huh? We named her Chanel. Hmm? Chanel. Chanel. Hi. What's your wave? You should let her wave, honey. Chanel.
Chanel, wave.
Go your wave,
Wave.
sweetheart.
Wave. Wave. Wave.
Wave.
Wave.
Wave.
Chanel, wave.
Wave.
Good girl. Good girl.
Just go. Daisy's covering it. Do
Good
it again,
girl.
honey.
Wave.
Just...
Wave. 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 Good girl.
There you go. Good job. Okay. Now that you say hi to everyone, just to bring some smile on their faces. There you go, guys. Enjoy your day. I'll vlog next time again for you guys, okay? Thank you. I love you. Bye.